have a lot of things here that I think that the average person can use, even if they're not working from home. If you are going into the office, if you are in school, if you have a job, if you're human, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Treese. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, All Things Treese, and please make sure you subscribe so you can be updated when new content is dropping. So today I'll be talking to you about the creation of my small home office. Since I started working from home a month ago, I decided I needed something small that can fit in my living room, dining room area, I guess. In the last video, I was unboxing the 24-inch new iMac desktop. If you have not seen that video, please make sure you check it out. I will put the link to that video in the description box below, so you can make sure you go watch that. But when I was unboxing the video, a lot of people was asking me questions, asking about where I got my table from, and it was asking about a lot of the other items they saw on my table while I was unboxing during the last video. So I decided to create this video just to show you guys where I got some of the things that you saw and some of the things that you didn't get to see, to make working from home a little bit more convenient. Majority of all the things I found are low budget cost items. So if you think someone will benefit from this video, which they probably will, make sure you share this video with them. If you have not done so already, make sure you hit that bell and that red subscribe button so you can be updated every time I drop some new content on my channel. As you can see, this is my work from home station. Not much, nothing on the walls, pretty bare. I was gonna put my degrees on the wall, but I decided to move it to a different location in the house. I just started working from home recently, April 2021, so it's only been, what, right now, about a month, not even 2 months yet. And yeah, so I decided I want to kind of transform this area. So this dresser, well, desk, I purchased from Walmart. Was really inexpensive. It's not the best, it's not as sturdy as I would want it to be. I had it in my room just so I can have something really quick where I could sit down and kind of do the work I need to do. So I took this chair, it's actually from my dining room set, and it originally came in a black color. I'll kind of like post a video of me kind of spray painting it to make it this metallic silver color in order for it to match my dining room table. So yeah, this is all I really have here, nothing extra. So I'm going to transform it to something way better and more fitting for a queen. Okay, so this chair here, it was purchased on Wayfair's website. It is called the LoveTrice chair by Kelly Clarkson Home. And I absolutely love all things Kelly Clarkson Home on the Wayfair website. All of her products are super cute, they're comfortable, and they just look like it brings something extra to the living room or dining room or whatever space you're trying to create. I purchased this chair for $180. I believe that they're currently on sale at this time, but when I purchased the chair it was $180, and I think it was well worth it. It comes in a variety of colors. It comes in, like, I want to say at least, I know it's over 5, but I want to say about 5 to 10 colors. And I got the color pink, upholstery pink, and of course the finish is a gold finish at the bottom, as you can see that I'm putting it together right now. The chair was bigger than expected. I don't know why I was expecting something a little bit smaller, but I absolutely love it and I have no complaints at all. Here we go again. Twice on the same day. I got my exercise cut out for me, huh? Heavier than what it appears to be. I finally received my table, the Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk in a 50.8 inches. I invited my good friend over. She helped me put the desk together. As you can see, it seems like she's doing a lot more than me. I'm taking breaks, gonna get pizza, drinking wine, and she putting in a lot of the work there. Yeah, so this is from Amazon. It was $100. If you are interested in a longer version or a larger version of this table, they do have that option, of course, for a higher price. But yeah, so it took 2 of us to assemble this table. I usually do things alone, but I think it was much more effective if I had someone else help me. Now let's get into the desk items. So we're gonna go from the left to the right. As you can see, I have a trash can at the bottom, which I got from my local 99-cent store. That was $5.99. This is a small but mighty copper fan from Homes. It is so cute. I thought it was nice little decor to put on a desk. Summertime is coming. It was $12.99. I also have this tissue holder, which I also got from Amazon. That was $6.99. And because of course the panorama is out here, I definitely have my sanitizer in the back. I just took the label off so it can match. I used to keep my Dove lotion on standby because it smells good, it looks good, and I'm be ashy, y'all. Some Gucci perfume I put here. I only put it there because it matches the decor and I wanted to block the blue top of the Vaseline that I had there. In the back you'll see the metal pieces. My friend you saw earlier in the video helping me put my table together. This is her jewelry line. It's a black owned luxury affordable line. So since it matched my aesthetics, I decided to leave it on my desk, and it's also cute and I'm supporting a friend, so why not, you know? You'll see that I also have some cords, which is my headphones, my cord for my iPhone, stylus. So some of my other items that's on my desk that you'll see later came in this clear container, and I thought it was just smart to keep it here. Of course, with my external hard drive that you see that's under that, also have a candle that matches the decor. I kept the top on. I wanted to take it off, but the candle was kind of damaged, so I just left it how it is, just to have it out there. These are some Blu-ray glasses that are so helpful to my eyes when I'm sitting here editing videos and also doing work when I'm talking to my clients online. So I keep those nearby, as well as my actual glasses that I have. The time is 10:40 p.m. and when you look at my clock, what does it say? Here is one of my favorite pieces of my house. It was a housewarming gift from my aunt and my nene, and it is a clock that I had. Oh my god, I love this. I get so many compliments. It just reads the time out. I never have to really guess. It did not come with the stand. I took the stand from the little, I guess, I don't know, like Soul Train board. I don't even know what to call it. The Soul Train board that you saw earlier. Yeah, so I saw that it was white and I said, oh, instead of just sitting it there, let it stand there. And the color matches the fan. We have a mouse pad that I also got from Amazon. The mouse pad, I believe it was $6.99 online. It was marble and it also had hints of pink and gold. Next up, we have this beautiful pink phone holder. I love this thing because, for one, it can bend. As you can see, it can go up, it can go down. And it allows you to have free range where you can place your phone horizontally or vertically. Under that, you'll see that I have this wooden coaster from, I think, the 99-cent store. And this right here is a privacy webcam cover. It came 3 in a pack for $5.99. It had packs of 3, packs of 5 in different colors. It's also small enough to fit on your iPhone, which I thought was pretty cool. Yeah, I also have one here on my MacBook. To the left, I have my Post-its and my notepad hidden under my coaster. Some white stick pens and some colorful thumbtacks at the bottom of the section. As you can see here, some floral ones my best friend got me and gifted me a long time ago. So I have these gold paper clips that also came inside the clear container that you saw. No office is complete without binder clips. Don't ask why. I don't know why I need them, but I got them, so here they go. I have some white ones, some pink ones, and they also have gold and silver finishes at the top. As you can see, it's the little details for me. Okay, 2 pens you see here, it came in a pack of 6. They have a little cute little diamond at the top. Come in black, gold, silver, white, rose gold, and pink. Came with refills. These little figures you see here, I guess they are like acrylic diamonds. I remember picking them up off a table at an event. I think it was in a vase, and I just had it for years and decided to put it on my desk. Cute little desk organizer, and it's gold, acrylic, and sturdy, and you can lift it up, you can move it around. I thought it was so cute, so fitting for the aesthetic that I was kind of going for. And this specific organizer was $30. It also came with a ruler. Not that I need a ruler for anything. You know, I don't know why it's there, but it was a nice addition to the package, of course, because, you know, that little organizer, I don't think it was worth $30 by itself. I don't know. Maybe it is, but, you know, it's sturdy, it's nice, you know, it's acrylic, it's gold, it matches kind of anything, and it could be moved around, so I guess it was pretty much worth it at this point. So this is June 2021 desk calendar. This was actually free $99. I got this from my previous employer. As you can see here, it has a note section. I also like the fact that this calendar comes with the different moon phases. I'm someone who likes to manifest during a new moon and reflect during the full moon, so I thought this was a very nice touch. Find this desk calendar or any other large desk calendar at your local CVS, Walgreens, or a 99-cent store, dollar store near you. Now let's get into one of my favorite pieces here. OMG, y'all, I am in love. I think this is so cute. This is so sleek. This is the LED lamp. It has 3 different brightnesses. I don't even know if brightnesses is a word, but yeah, I guess 3 different light settings would be more appropriate. Whatever. Anyways, in 3 different color tones. And it comes with also with a USB port, so you can charge your phone or plug in anything that you want in the back. It is so flexible. When you're done with it, you can just fold it right down. You don't have to do anything. You have to move it out the way. It automatically blends right in with the rest of the decor, and it's just so sleek. The LED lamp was $21.99, and I feel like you cannot beat that price. So, not even sure where I got this from, but I do know that I love dead roses, so I always keep a whole bunch in the house. Here I have a cute rock that I found in the ocean while on vacation, and gold beads and some pebbles. So here is my acrylic dry erase board. I write down my to-do list as it says, be great always, right? So number 1 goal is to be great. It came with this white dry erase pen. It also came with this stand where you can place your marker and also sit the acrylic board on. This acrylic board was $41.37. It's currently now on sale, and I did not know I paid this much for it, so yikes. So next up is this pink journal diary planner. It has accents of gold and also has like a tassel lined paper. Got it from my local Family Dollar for only $5. I thought it matched everything pretty good. I also wanted a book that I'll be able to close in order to organize my thoughts and just to have on the desk away from the other journals that I have. So I usually just sit it back there to add some pop of color. Next up, I got this from Amazon. This is my water bottle. It was $13.99. I wanted something that was glass, something that fit in, and the white marble coasters was a gift. My new monogram mug came in the mail today. It is double-sided, which I absolutely love. This is 15 ounces, and I think it's so cute. It's so simple. I have it on my coaster. They had the option of getting a coaster that matches, but I thought that was doing a little too much. But yes, P for Patrice. So cute. A MacBook on the desk. Here I have my actual glasses with prescription. Girl, it barely got prescription, but whatever. Anyway, this water bottle is from a coworker. I'm sorry that I rolled my eyes out loud. I was infamous for being in the meetings, rolling my eyes and huffing and puffing, ready to go. So this is for my glasses. This right here is the liquid gel glasses cleaner. I'm not a fan of it so much because it kind of, I think it stains my glasses for some way. Okay, so this right here is a triangle bookcase, and I have all my journals and my planners lined up in here. I think this is very beneficial. This adds a nice little organization to the office space, and yeah. And as you guys already know, that this chair was from Wayfair, but this pillowcase is also from Amazon. I added the gold pillowcase just for the looks. Of course, when I sit down, I usually move it unless I'm having some type of old lady back pains, but yeah. Lastly, I have this Let's Do What We Love and Do a Lot of It Marc Jacobs pink and gold quote. I can't recall where I got this from, but I want to say that I've got it from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I don't really remember. I thought it was really cute to add to the office space. Now seeing it next to my iMac, I think I need something larger, but I didn't want to take away from all the other pictures I have and do too much. So right now I think it's pretty good. Comment down below if you think I should leave it how it is or go bigger. But this is my small home office space in between my living room and dining room area, and I think it looks great. I think it's you know, in the best space possible. It is not doing too much. I made sure that it wasn't longer than my sectional and it was just in the right space. And as mentioned, all items will be linked in the description below. Yeah, but that is all. So thank you guys for watching. As I mentioned, make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below. Tell me some of the items that you do like. Make sure you ring that bell and make sure you subscribe down below so I can know that you are here, you're watching, and you can be updated when new content is dropping. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, All Things Trees. Can't wait to chat with you in the next video. Bye.